In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the footer in PowerPoint, a simple yet essential skill that can give your presentation a professional touch. Whether you're customizing a business presentation or personalizing a school project, mastering PowerPoint's footer feature can make a significant difference. First, you'll need to launch the PowerPoint application on your computer. Once it's open, navigate to the presentation you want to edit. This is a crucial step because you'll want to ensure that any changes you make are on the correct file, so double check that you've opened the right presentation. Now, with your presentation open, you'll want to focus on the top menu bar and click on the Insert tab. The Insert tab is a powerful feature in PowerPoint, giving you the ability to add various elements to your slides, enhancing their visual and informational value. Next, look for the Header and Footer button within the Insert tab. Clicking on it will open a new dialog box. This box is your control panel for both headers and footers, allowing you to fine-tune what viewers see at the top and bottom of your slides and ensuring the information is communicated effectively. Within this dialog box, you'll see an option labeled Footer. Make sure to check this box. By doing so, you're activating the footer feature on your slides, paving the way for you to add your personalized text. Now comes the creative part. In the text field provided for the footer, type in the text you wish to appear on every slide. This could be a date, the name of the presentation, a company slogan, or any recurring message you want your audience to see. Finally, once you're satisfied with the text you've entered, you'll need to click Apply to All. This button ensures that your footer text appears consistently across all the slides within your presentation, saving you the time and hassle of manually editing each slide individually. And that's it, you've successfully edited the footer for your PowerPoint presentation. Remember, footers are not only useful for adding information, but also for providing your slides with a consistent and polished look. By following these steps, you've taken a simple yet effective approach to enhance your presentation's professionalism. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you feel confident in editing footers in PowerPoint. Be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks to enhance your presentation skills.